Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today I will be talking very briefly about the outlook of the economy, how I feel about it, and where I think we might be heading. So just stay put. It's gonna be a short video, but at least it will give you an insight into my thought process and how I feel about this economy. So, well, as you guys are aware, the global economy since about November of 2021 has slowly been declining, and things were accelerated by the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Before that, we had COVID-19, which basically shut down the whole world. Everybody had to quarantine in place. Industries were shut down. Global supply chains affected, and that was not a good deal. So today we have the global economy that's suffering a lot, and lots of people are out of their jobs. Companies are slashing, mostly office workers, salaried positions, and big companies, even companies like Tesla, they are basically putting people out there who are not directly linked with the product that they manufacture. People who are just pushing paper in the office, those people are being eliminated, having their positions made redundant. So it's a very tough time to be out there struggling with this type of economy. To compound the problem, we also have gas, which is really high right now. The price of crude oil is at about $120 a barrel, and especially here in the United States, oil producers are reluctant to increase production because they are afraid that an oversupply of crude oil will bring down the price of crude oil below $120. So what they are doing is they are taking all these massive profits they are making, and they are doing like share buybacks, and they are also providing dividends to their investors. In other countries like in Europe, we have seen how some of these oil companies, because of the record profits they are making, they are being forced to also participate in the economy and help alleviate some of the costs that citizens have to endure at the pump. So that's just one aspect. And of course, with high gas prices, we also have to contend with increase in the cost of food and other commodities that we get from the stores, because everybody, has to, transport these goods to the stores, and because of the higher price of gas, that is also more expensive, and it gets passed on to the final consumer. Word out is that the Fed might also be increasing the interest rates. So it means that the cost to borrow money is going to go higher, and higher cost of money is also going to mean that fewer people are going to qualify to borrow the money or will be willing to borrow the money, and that slows everything down. If you guys look over there, you see an oil rig that he just set up a few days ago with all the light. At night it's very bright. So like I was saying, so you have that going on. The Fed might actually increase interest rates, this time not by 0.5 but by 0.75%, and that is unprecedented. And all of this is just to rein in the rampant inflation that we are seeing right now, and bring things under control. Crypto assets, which is a novel type of category, which was not there in 2008 when we had the last major economic downturn. Those ones are just being hammered. It's really something unprecedented. Looking at something like Bitcoin, it's way down. And then you also have most of that is oil field. They're going to probably clear up a pad where they will drill. So yeah, like I was saying, Bitcoin assets and other cryptocurrencies, NFTs, they are just being hammered right now. You have Bitcoin. I think yesterday, last time I checked, it was at $25,000 or thereabouts. And the word that is out right now is that there is this company that has a lot of Bitcoin. That is, it had to borrow some money against the Bitcoin. I just keep forgetting the name of that company. If it comes as I'm talking, then I'll mention it to you. But I think it's based out of Singapore, and they actually do software also. So they borrowed money, and then the revenue they get from their software sales, a lot of it is being put in Bitcoin. But the reason I bring that up is because they have this clause with the people who lent them the money, that in case Bitcoin gets to $21,000, then it's going to trigger, a margin call, meaning that they will have to come up with money. And 21,000 is because that's halfway from where they actually started buying Bitcoin, and so half the price of the cost of the Bitcoin. So it's actually quite interesting. We're gonna keep a close watch and see what happens with that one. As of this recording, the FTSE in England, in London, it's trending downwards. It's totally in the red. But US futures on Wall Street, they are trending higher. So they are right now in the green. So hopefully they stay that way, because yesterday wasn't a good day at all at Wall Street. So we will see how things go as we get closer to the opening bell. Anyways, that's what I had to share with you guys. Thanks for joining me. I think by the end of today, we would definitely have 500 subscribers on the channel. Thank you to all those who have subscribed. We are slowly getting towards the 1,000 subscriber goal that we fixed for ourselves by November and the midterm elections. So thank you guys very much for joining me this morning, and I will catch you guys later. Bye now.